Okay, so this is the last lesson, and we're going to just make sure that you know how to launch the website, which pretty much this website is live already, but we just want to make sure you're clear on that. And I want to talk a little bit about possible next steps and where you go from here. So, okay, so we've done our products, we've done our theme, we've got our navigation set up, our website looks good at the front end, we're happy with it, we want the public to start seeing it. We set up our domain name so that we've got a unique URL that we can tell people about. So now, and we've done our settings, so we're ready to accept payments through Shopify payments. We've got shipping set up so that we can charge some shipping rates, and we've got our taxes set up and a few other things that we checked through our settings. Now let's have a look at a couple of final settings in our online store and preferences. So we've got this section at the top here, which is homepage title and homepage meta description. This is basically what's going to be published in the search engines such as Google. Now, they don't have to take this. Google, can change this. It doesn't necessarily put up exactly what you tell it to, but 9 times out of 10 it will do. So you may need to write this, and you need to write it in a way that very clearly explains both to Google and to the general public when they're looking at the Google search results what it is you do, what it is you sell, so that we're getting quality traffic for the things that we sell. In this case, we're selling Haitian metal art, so this is going to be, the title of the website would be Haitian crafts, handmade Haitian metal wall art. Okay, something along those lines. We could put a few more characters in, but it's not necessary. And then we're going to give it a good description. Again, this is what is going to show up on the search engine, so we need to make it clear and precise, and we've got 320 characters. So think about this a little bit. I'm not going to write it in today, but you have make sure it's clear and consistent. If you want to use Google Analytics to track your traffic and give you more data, then you can get your analytics code from Google and just paste it in here. There is a free analytics section within Shopify that will show you the basic traffic, probably good enough for you to start with. If you're going to do Facebook advertising, you're going to get your Facebook Pixel ID from Facebook. And then most importantly of all, just make sure that we did remove the password. If we did not remove the password, no one can enter our store and start shopping. As soon as that password is removed and we click save, this store is live on the internet, and because we now have all the necessary components in place, it's perfectly possible for somebody to come along now and shop, purchase, and place an order in the store. So that's great. Your store is now live, and it's now your job to start marketing and advertising the store if you want it to be a real store. Given that this was probably just a trial account and you were just experimenting with it, your trial account's going to expire after the 14-day period. You didn't put any credit cards in. There's no need to worry about it. If you want to take this whole Shopify thing a little bit further, then we're planning on creating some more lessons, but I also want to recommend this lesson from Kurt, which goes into a lot more detail than we went into about setting up the website, the basic website. So that's a great class. So take a look for that. Other than that, keep an eye on follow us, and we'll see whether we can create some more sites, more lessons for you. So hope that worked out great for you. We'd really like to keep in touch with your project, particularly if your website goes live. Make sure you update the project link to your custom domain name in the Skillshare project section. And if you are not planning on going live, but you want to share what you've done, do some screenshots and put some images in there so that we can see what you did before your account gets deactivated. Okay, so great. Thanks for that. I hope it was a useful course for you.